Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Y'all know that it's the girl me and I'm back with another late entry number 8. What we say, so guys, but just I start the vlog from I drop the vlog today Monday. Today Monday. Yeah, today Monday. And but just my face no bonnet by that so I really enjoy it. But just got a shipping company called a package. This is the promo that I'm supposed to do, guys. Today, in fact, I have 1 hour. But if well, I'm gonna check and come back and tell you. Say, guys, I probably have 1 hour or probably 30 minutes. But guys, like, but I just want to get this over it. Me have people in promotion for you. And at the last day, this like not even the day, the last hour. But I just get the package so I can just collect it. Guys, my speed, I didn't even eat on from morning. I didn't even eat. My speedy walk go down to the place. The place even did open. It wasn't even opened. Like, are you kidding me? But we get a package. That's the best part. So, I go. I open it to the room. But it feels heavy. I never expect it to be heavy. Because when I see people have it, when they open it, I look a bit of something in there. But okay, guys, let me check my contact on the back. So guys, I just switch up. I know look at me that cry. I was crying, but not about that. I go unbox the box and show you so in there, and then I'm gonna do the promo video. Alright, so this is here, guys. So I'm gonna open this. It's a big thing, guys. A big thing. It's heavy. Open it. Yeah. It's heavy. Oh, it smells really good on alcohol, so I have a tear off. It smells really alcoholic, guys. So it's pads there. It smells really good to me. I don't know what is this. Oh, it's air cleansing pads. So, oh, they have 4 extra pads here. So guys, now go get them promo out of the way and send to them very quick. Yeah, right now. Welcome back to the next clip. Today is Tuesday, July the 19th. Today when, guys? Today 21. Anyway, today's July the 21st. It's Tuesday, and I'm going to I got told, guys, I need to buy some more shirt for work. I got told I carry with me, and I got eat some food right now before I left out. Currently 8:59, basically 9 o'clock right now. So yeah, come along, let's go, y'all. guys, I did reach up good while now, reach up from about 12, 1 o'clock. But I did reach up, I never, I just did that on. I'm still right now, I just then eat some food. Guys, my work front for make the video them longer phone and find something to do. But guys, like me I work tomorrow, which is Wednesday. I'm gonna go when I work Thursday. I'm gonna go work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I don't know how the other week go, but I'm gonna try picking up as best as possible. Yeah, like it's a busy week. I don't know me I try post every week. So anything wanna get, I'm just go and hold on for now until the girls start go out and the things them. We gotta make the cash before we start go, right? Anyway, so yeah, Mother's Day, I'm feel like I'm going about sleep right now. In a late, about at 16. Guys, my work plan for buy a new phone. And I think so, yeah, my next phone. And guys, watch out the video them because we need the watch time. We need the watch time, guys. So watch out the video them. If you have no video on my channel where you don't watch yet, then go watch them, guys. Go and watch them. Once and have time and watch them. Or wanna put the phone on them and make it play out and the things them. If you don't watch, just put the phone on it and make it play out your laptop or whatever. But yeah, guys, I'll take on back soon. Oh guys, oh yeah, on the system get the package. I got a package. I make the promo video. I go put it in another video, yeah, somewhere. I make the promo video. I feel better now, guys. I feel better. And yeah, I make the promo video. Yeah, I made the promo video already. So guys, and I go try get. I supposed to work at a brand in a way, but Walgreens and they are Jamaica, and that's why I'm never get to work with them because I'm in Jamaica. So we're gonna see if we can get more brand deals and get a girl content on the road. Let's see. Anyways, soon picking up back. Like all about sleep right now. Later. So hey guys, this will be the end of the vlog. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, share, and comment on the video. I could do a comment shout out because as you can see, I've been busy. I'm gonna get for evil. Do I outro, but later y'all.